Framer versus Axure RP. Which one should you choose for prototyping? Interaction complexity. If you need to create highly interactive and dynamic prototypes, Axure RP may be a better choice. It offers rich interaction features and dynamic panels, allowing you to create almost any type of interaction. Design and code integration. If you're a designer with some coding skills, Framer may be a better choice. Framer allows you to use React to create highly customized interactions and animations. Team collaboration. If real-time collaboration is essential for your team, Framer may be more suitable. Framer offers real-time collaboration features, while Axure RP primarily relies on check-in and check-out systems for collaboration. Learning curve. If you're a beginner, you may find Framer's learning curve to be more gentle. While Axure RP is powerful, its interface and features may require some time to familiarize yourself with. Design fidelity. Both tools can meet your high-fidelity prototyping needs. However, Framer's design tools may be more intuitive and user-friendly. User testing. If user testing is a priority, Axure RP may be a better choice. It provides rich user testing and annotation features to help you gather and understand user feedback. Cost. Both Axure and Framer have a subscription-based pricing model. Consider your budget and the pricing structure that aligns with your needs. Overall, you should choose based on your specific needs and preferences. You can also try out both tools to see which one suits you better.